So I got a hold of the X5 subwoofer unit, and this is the connection. So this connection is just basically a connection to each dual voice coilovers speakers. So each speaker actually has two terminals. So there's like a connection here for positive, negative S4, positive S4. So that's the fourth speaker, third one, the second one, the first one. And if you look at this, yeah, they correspond to those terminals. So what I'm going to do is actually like connect them in a series parallel combination such that I will get 8 ohms. So each of these speaker has 8 ohms. So if I parallel this one, this set, it will become 4 ohms, and this one also will become 4 ohms, and then I will do a series connection for this. It will become 8 ohms, which matches my amplifier. So this will be my terminal, this one, and this will be the common for the series connection. So if you take out this cover on the side, there's actually a space or a slot for this subwoofer. Look at that. It will be positioned like this. Thing is, you need to like remove this one first. This fuse assembly, relay assembly, and then once you move that out, you could actually like put the stuff over there. The thing is, I don't have a screw over there. Yeah, there's no threaded screw on that area. Yeah, once you remove all the screws on this one, you could actually swing this fuse assembly, or you better probably just take it out. So it looks like I got just enough space out there to put the zip tie on that one, and then 2 plastic screws or nuts on this area to secure the speaker. Yep. Then I have the connector here. Could just snap it in. It will only go in. So this is my final setup. So I'm testing the connection here. It's not yet final. The remote is on. Then I tap the power there. I don't need like larger wires because this is low wattage. This is where the remote is tapped. Then I modified my ashtray to have a USB terminal there. So I think the sound's not that bad compared to one without subwoofers. So the only bad thing is it vibrates if I put the cover on. So I might probably reduce the volume. So I got everything cleaned up. These are my wires stuck in here, and my power, my remote. I just stuck power in here instead of there because this is closer. And then once I think I put the cover, it will stop vibrating. Right now it's vibrating.